So we have here, guys, two cars from Texas, two SLs, a SL500 and an SL55. This one already had the coilover swap done. I did it last week, and this one right here is about to be done in a few days. People are bringing their cars all the way from Texas to Cincinnati, Ohio to get these coilover swaps. Why aren't you? Why are you sitting on the fence, not sure what to do? Let me help you guys out. If you're sick and tired of seeing this red light, do something about it, guys. I'm here to help. Contact me. Go to www.Goldelementautoworks.com. Contact me, the owner, Brandon P. Green, and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching.